Okay. Consider the following statements regarding the first session of the INC. That is, in 1885, the first session of INC was conducted. Okay. It was held at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, Bombay, with 72 delegates in attendance. And the session was presided over by A.O. Hume and secretary was W.C. Banerjee. Which of the following statements are generally correct? Okay. Now, here we know these are the options. Now, which of the following is going to be correct? Now, here when we talk, they are talking on the first session. So, what do we know? The first session, it was conducted in 1885. Okay. And it was conducted in the Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay. We know that, yes, it was there in the December month. Now, it had 72 delegates. That is, 72 non-official Indian delegates were there. This is what we know, non-official Indian delegates. However, the session was presided over by A.O. Hume? No. The first session of INC, it was presided over by W.C. Banerjee, Womesh Chandra Bonnerjee, the Indian barrister. Okay. And the first European to preside on an Indian National Congress session, it was George Yule. And A.O. Hume was never presiding. A.O. Hume did not preside at that point of time. He was the founder of the INC at that point of time. Okay, so he is going to be the founder. So that is one another aspect. So the answer here is only one. Okay, A is the answer. The next one is that